Did you know that the biggest cash heist in American history was pulled off in just 64 minutes? December 11th, 1978, JFK Airport, $5.8 million in untraceable bills sat in a Lufthansa cargo warehouse waiting to be stolen. Louis Werner, a cargo agent drowning in gambling debts, handed Jimmy Burke the keys to the kingdom. Werner revealed everything: security schedules, camera locations, the exact spot where the money sat unguarded. Burke's crew moved like ghosts through multiple checkpoints. 64 minutes later, they vanished with cash and jewelry worth over $6 million today. But Burke had a problem. Too many people knew about the job. His solution was simple and deadly. One by one, crew members started disappearing. Shot, stabbed, murdered to keep them quiet forever. The only reason we know this story: Henry Hill flipped to the FBI to save his own life. His testimony exposed everything and inspired the movie Goodfellas. Most of Burke's crew never made it to trial. They were already dead, victims of the very man who made them rich.